Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are signed into the correct Apple ID both on your device and at iCloud.com. Once done, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and enough iCloud storage space. Low storage blocks syncing. Now open Settings right arrow Photos and enable iCloud Photos if it's off. This immediately begins syncing. Make sure Optimize iPhone storage or download and Keep Originals is set based on your device space. These steps prime everything so recovery actions will reach iCloud. Next, you search where iCloud stores deletions and backups. Go to Photos right arrow Albums, right arrow Recently deleted and restore any items within 30 days. Select and recover. If not there, sign into iCloud.com or open Photos on a Mac to browse the full iCloud library and download originals. If photos were deleted before iCloud Photos enabled, use Settings, right arrow General, right arrow iPhone storage, right arrow Backups to see available iCloud backups. To complete recovery, force a sync by toggling iCloud Photos off and back on, or sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. This prompts iCloud to reconcile changes. Make sure your device has enough local storage to download originals, and verify iCloud status in Settings right arrow your name, right arrow iCloud. If photos still don't appear after waiting for sync and trying a backup restore, contact Apple support. Have your Apple ID, device serial number, and a clear description of what you attempted ready for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.